Stenciling on textile is the same way of stenciling than stenciling on canvas or on wood. The only difference is that I apply a little layer of glue on the behind of my stencil. I'll show you how. I'll put the spray on the behind of the stencil and then I let it dry. When it's completely dry, I put my stencil on my t-shirt in this case. And because I did the glue spray on it, I can secure it very good on the textile. You see, I put a piece of cardboard into my t-shirt to cover or to protect the back of the t-shirt. Now my stencil is in place. I took crepe tape to cover all the holes and points in the stencil, and also on the edges where my design is very near the edge to prevent that I get some dirt on places on the t-shirt. I use textile paint in this case. It's the 4-card textile paint. First I start with the stenciling of the butterflies. I put the paint into the stencil brush. What's a brush with very short, stiff hairs. I remove the most of the paint on my paper towel, and now in circular motions I bring my paint from the stencil onto the textile. I'll do it in this case in circular motions. My brush is almost dry. By putting pressure, I get the paint out of the brush. In the middle I don't want to have a lot of paint, therefore I less pressure, here more pressure, I get a darker color. So, I think my whole design is done. Now I can remove the stencil, and there's my design.